Law number 42. The end justifies the means. Nature doesn't get stuck on one solution. If there's a goal, there's a way to reach it, even if it means inventing a whole new method. Take flying squirrels. No wings, no problem. They glide using stretchy skin flaps. This mindset, finding different paths to the same goal, is the heart of this law. It's about being flexible, resourceful, and open to creative alternatives. If plan A doesn't work, nature's already tried B through Z. This law reminds us that function doesn't depend on form. Different structures can achieve the same goal. Bats and dolphins both echolocate, but with totally different gear. Bats use mouths and ears. Dolphins use fat-filled melons and jaws. Tumbleweeds run without legs by rolling to spread seeds. So when solving a problem, don't get stuck on one design. Many paths can lead to the same result.